Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. In today's video, I bring you guys this smoky, like yellow gold semi-cut crease. I don't know what you guys want to call it. But yeah, I actually got this new shade from MAC. It's kind of like a goldish shade, but it has like some green like reflexes in it. So I decided to kind of get my inspiration from this and just kind of wing it. So I didn't really like have an idea as to what I was doing with this look. So yeah, I just decided a smoky eye and a nude lip. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. It'll be greatly appreciated. I would really appreciate if y'all press that bell button too on the, I think it's on the right side. I think it's on the right side, I don't know. So you can get my notifications when I upload. And yeah, again, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Alright, so I've already primed my lid. Tarte Shape Tape, concealer, and tan sand. I use this guy right here. Use the City Mini palette by Shayla. Makeupshayla. You guys know who I'm talking about. I'm trying to get this open. And I'm gonna take this dark brown shade in the palette right here. I'm gonna take this Morphe M441 blending brush and just tap into that. Tap some of the excess off. And I'm going to pack this on my lid. That same brush, and I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Heat Palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's kind of like the shade I just used, but it's a little bit more like redder. It's called He Devil. Same brush. Tapping some of the excess off. And then I'm just going to work this into the crease. I'm gonna switch brushes because I feel like that's a little bit more denser than what I really want it to be. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M518 blending brush. It's a little bit more fluffed out than this brush. See how this brush is more tapered? This brush is blown out. I'm gonna just bring that same place where I had that other shade. I like to watch, look at this eyeshadow. It's like gold, but like sort of greenish. Ooh, we're not in focus. I'm taking some of my Pixi Vitamin Wake Up Mist, and I'm looking for a flat brush so I can apply this shadow on this BH Cosmetics brush. I'm gonna spray my brush, and then I'm just gonna put this like right where I put that dark brown this dark shade from the City Mini palette. Taking this tapered brush, I'm just be working that like right here on the corner of my eye. I'm gonna go in with color corrector because, bro, I got a mustache coming in. I need to wax it. And with the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation by Milani. Spray my face with this Vitamin Wake Up Mist. So I'm gonna kind of let that sit on my face. And I'm gonna go in also with the Honey 30. Cause this is like a little bit lighter, so. Cause that first concealer, I feel like it's almost the same as my foundation. So I'm gonna focus that like right in here. This is a Revlon sponge. I actually kind of broke it while washing it too hard. My nail kind of went into it, but it's still a good sponge. I'm going to wet it a little bit. I should probably wet this underneath the sink, but I'm being a little bit lazy, so I'm not gonna do that. Using the Ben Nye mixed with Airspun. Going with the contour shade though, obviously to contour. All right, so we let that under eye set a little bit too long. So I'm going in with this powder right here. This is some of my banana powder, and it's mixed with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. That's what this is. This is like too dark for me, so I kind of mixed both to kind of lighten it up. And I'm just going to tap some into this pan. And I'm just going to tap it into my skin, but also like sweep off. I think this will cause for me not to have any sort of like flashback. I feel like Ben Nye setting powder in general can just give you like a harsh flashback, so I would just kind of recommend getting a loose powder that's maybe the same color as your concealer, or you know, just to set your whole face, so that way you can go in and kind of blend the under eye area with your loose powder just so everything kind of like looks seamless. I need to save this powder. I just actually made this up right on camera because I'm like, I thought I was gonna have to probably give this powder to my mom. I'm like, maybe she can wear it. I was like, but I remember one time I used it by itself just to set my under eye, and it made me look darker than what I actually am. So that's the thing with makeup. You can mix stuff and make stuff fit for you, you know? So I'll probably have to do that. So old. I probably had it for like, I shouldn't even tell you guys because you guys might judge. I'm not even gonna tell you how long I had this. Let's just say it's been longer than 24 months. So I put my lashes on. Bro, when you put lashes on, it makes the look so totally different. Like the City Mini Palette by Shayla. I go back into the Urban Decay Heat Palette, and I'm gonna take this color Cayenne, and I'm gonna smoke my lower lash line. And with Cork lip pencil. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Trendsetter. Butter Gloss by NYX, and I'm just going to place that over that. And this is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think down below. Is it too much or what? But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, take care.